How to find recently deleted notes on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. Once you're here, you can view all your notes on this page. If you want to delete a note from here, then press and hold the note and swipe left. Then, tap on the delete button beside. You have now successfully deleted this note. Now, go to the top left corner and tap on Folder. Here, go to the recently deleted folder. Over here, you can view all your recently deleted notes. If you want to permanently delete a note from here, then hold the note and swipe left. And then, tap on the delete icon. Following these steps, you can easily find recently deleted notes on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.